Hi guys, so welcome to my tech channel. So today I'm going to explain another concept which is very important in scenario execution. So first I will go to that, then I will move to this scenario button is running. So now skip the test and so now once you click on that, what will happen is here you can see that how many users are running. So this is basically runtime tab. So before this there is another tab is there, that is nothing but the design tab. In the design where you design your script or scenario basically. So this is the basic exercise that you would do before you run your scenario. So in the runtime tab there is a scenario. So this is the scenario name, this is the population name, and number of users. I will give that only one user apart from that. So just observe that how it will. One moment. So now the test is over and coming to the results. So this is the result tab basically. So the result tab, so I will explain some more options. Go to the filter tab. Basically why we are using this filter is we can filterize the data. So enable, because I want to filter this data, enable and give the time. So I hope guys you know that basically the filter is used to get the data for a specific time. That means suppose you ran the test, you ran the load test for 1 hour. That means you would get a ramp up pattern. So suppose your ramp up and ramp down is around 10 seconds or 10 minutes, 1 hour 10. So in this particular scenario, you will give the duration as 1 hour 10 minutes. That includes ramp. The 10 minutes includes ramp up and ramp down. So when you filterize the results, basically, so we will consider only steady state. So generally the test contains the steady state plus ramp up and ramp down. But here we will take the results from only steady state. That means the duration. So in order to find that results, you will go to the filter. So I will explain in my next video. So now it is not possible. If you want to filterize, just you can select this test and enable and double click on this, and this is the steady state. Basically here it will be looks something different. This is the steady state. Ramp up means like this, so up and down. So you will exclude that ramp up and ramp down, and you will consider only duration. So in this particular case, we will go for the filter tab. And apart from the generate report, so generate report, as I already explained the multiple times, generate the Neoload will with the report three type of reports, whichever report it has been generated. One is PDF, second one is HTML, the third is nothing but XML. So these are the three different reports that generated by the Neoload by default. So according to your client requirement, you will give the report based on that. So this is the another thing that I want to have already explained, or I going to explain, because the generate report and test folder, basically I have not used it. This is the test folder, so you can ignore that. And these are the options in result tab. So coming to this report, so basically we will consider the two important things. One is hotspots. Basically hotspots will give the overall idea of our application behavior for that particular duration. That is uh, what is the maximum response time, what is the average response time, and what are the errors that we are getting. So these general details will include in this hotspot tab. Apart from that, we will consider the errors, one of the important tab. What are the errors that we are getting and why we are getting that errors. And apart from that, we will see the transition. This is very important because when you say perform a test, and the first thing we will look into this the parameter is the response time. So the response time we can identify with the help of this transition. So transition is nothing but it is waiting time between two user actions. That is the response time. So I think, and another important parameter is the throughput. This is one of the important parameters we will consider while doing the performance testing. So this is the basic report that you have seen in Neoload. So in this report, you can identify most of the details. That is, what is the duration, how many users, what are the errors, what is the page response times, what is the average page response time, what is the 9099. So this is the report generally consists of Neoload. So I hope guys you understand what I will have explained. So please guys subscribe my channel for more updates. If anybody is looking at writing, ping me in this comment box. So guys, please share, comment, and like. Thank you. Have a good weekend.